Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by isolating variables quickly. Remove the case and any screen protector. Debris or a lifted edge often blocks touch. Once done, clean with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl, then dry. Make sure to eject the SIM tray and inspect the frame. Next, perform a force restart using the manufacturer button combo. This clears firmware hiccups. If the battery is low, plug the charger and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before retesting the touchscreen. Once the phone restarts, boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps are causing the problem. If touch works there, uninstall recent apps. Next, make sure display settings and touch sensitivity options are correct and verify the OS is up to date. If your phone offers built-in diagnostics or a touch test, run it now. These tests reveal dead zones or sensor failures. If diagnostics report errors, note error codes. They guide whether a software reinstall or hardware repair is next. You should back up all data before attempting invasive fixes. Once backed up, try a factory reset to eliminate persistent software faults. If the touchscreen still fails, open the device only if you have tools and skill, receipt display connectors, check for water or corrosion, and consider replacing the digitizer or full display assembly. Make sure to keep original screws and parts. If you hit a wall, stop and consult a professional repair service. That one tip prevents further damage and protects warranty options.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.